Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Si, moi aussi, ça va.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, Catherine.
Bonjour, madame.
Ça va, ça va.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, Janvi. Okay, so all of you got your marks?
Yes, madam.
Is there anyone who didn't get your marks in this class?
No, ma'am.
No, everyone got? Everyone got your marks?
Ma'am, I didn't got.
Who is that? Adira Nair. I actually sent in your WhatsApp. Okay, already sent in your WhatsApp. Adira Nair, you got 10. There are few students who didn't send me the answer sheets. They wrote the test paper, but they didn't send me the answer sheet. That is Aris and Arjun, Adarv, then Azad, then Hadi, Niharika, Niran, Sweden. These students wrote the test paper, but they didn't send me the answer sheet.
Ma'am, I sent you.
Other you sent to me? Other?
Ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Other, I didn't find your answer sheet. Can you send again and hide from that number?
Okay, ma'am.
Those who didn't get the marks till now, please send a message, send a hi to me through that same number. I will check if your paper is there with me. I will check it and send to you. Okay. So now, please keep your cameras on, all of you. Keep your camera on.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Keep your camera on. Other. Just now your camera was on. Now how come it is off? Okay. Arush, Vaishnav, Vedika, Yuvan, Arjun, keep your camera on. Okay, so let's discuss the answers. Let's discuss the answers. Okay, of the test paper. Those who have the answer sheets with you can take it and keep answer sheets. Those who have.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please, yeah, we, Catherine.
Ma'am, doubt in the test paper, but now it's clear. My doubt was the word wagon is it train or metro? That was my doubt, and now it's clear when we see the answer sheet.
Okay. So in the first section, the question was. First section question was to translate the following words to French. Translate the following words. And the first word was?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. First word was good morning. To write the French word for good morning. And French word for good morning is? Bonjour. B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Bonjour. And you have to put the exclamation mark. If exclamation mark is not written there, then I will reduce mark. So for Q, exclamation mark is not there, I have reduced. This time, it's okay. I purposely reduce the mark this time so that the next time when you write, you don't forget that. That is why. Okay. Now that is good. Yes. Okay, then second one. Second word. Second one, the question was to write, how are you to a friend? I asked you to write to a friend. So if you write comment allez-vous, should I give mark for that if you write comment allez-vous? No. If you are writing how comment allez-vous, I can't give mark there. Then you can write, you can write two answers. We can write comma sava, C-O-M-M-E-N-T, comma, then cedilla is there for sa, then V-A. Put a question mark. If there is no question mark, then again you will lose marks there. Then you have one more answer you can write there, that is Sava. If you write Sava as a question, then put the question mark. If you don't put question mark there, then the meaning will be I am fine. If you don't put question mark there, then the meaning will be I am fine. So can I give mark there? No. So those who are writing Sava as the answer, put the question mark properly. Then the third one, welcome. Welcome in French is bienvenue. B-I-E-N-V-E-N-U-E. Bienvenue. Bienvenue means welcome. Bienvenue is welcome. And then the second section. What was second section? Second section to write the meanings in English. Section was to write the meanings in English, and the first word is oiso. Oiso means bird. Oiso means bird. Then the fifth one. Sanj, and Sanj means monkey. Sanj means monkey. Monkey. Then the sixth one. Wagon, and wagon means it's a good train. Wagon is a good train. If you write car there, listen. If you write car there or metro there, can I give mark? No. Good train.
Can we write ma'am?
We, Catherine.
Simply train. I didn't write good.
Huh?
Simply wrote. I didn't write goods train.
Yeah, you have to write goods train. Then the seventh one. Wait.
Can we write train?
Yeah, you can write. This time when you wrote train, I gave you mark. But in French, train is having separate word. That is same train itself, and the pronunciation is tra. Tra.
Okay,
Tra. And this is the train word in French. Train, tra. Wagon is actually goods train. So if you write train simply, I shouldn't have give marks. But for few, those who wrote this train, this time I gave you mark. But next time you have to write goods train.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Other
Ma'am, I write good train.
goods train, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I gave you mark, right? Did I give you mark? After that, you didn't get it, right? Okay. I will check and tell you. You send me the paper. Then the seventh section, the third section was to put the accents properly, missing accents. And the first one was elephant. You have to put the laxo ague. Yes, elephant is having laxo ague. Now listen here, all of you. If you put the accent like this, should I give mark? No, this one is wrong. This is actually for me. When I see this, I think like this actually. The student is confused whether he have to put laxo ague or laxo grave. So in the middle he put this one. They put this one. I am not saying he or she, but okay. So if they don't know, you have to put whether laxo ague or laxo grave. I have put this. Now the ma'am can choose which one, anyone. Ma'am can decide whether it is laxo ague or laxo grave. Ma'am can decide. Is it like that?
No, ma'am.
No. So if you put like this, then I can't give mark. Properly you have to put like this. Laxo ague. If you are putting, put properly like that. Then the second word, eighth one. Zebra. And here we are having laxo grave. Laxo grave. Then ninth one. Sava. Laxo sedile. Sedile accent is there for Sava. And see here, if you put laxo sedile like this and like this, I can't give mark. That is not laxo sedile. And if you are writing like this also, that's wrong. Laxo sedile is like this, half of 5, opposite direction. In this direction if you put, then that is also wrong. So this time I reduced mark for those those who didn't put the accent properly. Always put the accent properly like this. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We, Srirda.
Ma'am, the ninth question, that's not the how are you. It's fine in Sava.
Question mark was not there.
Yes.
Question mark is.
Yes, ma'am. Question mark is there.
Listen. Even it is the question mark, even if it is a question or reply, there will be laxosaidil. Okay, for the reply and for the question, laxosaidil is there for anyway. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the 10th one. 10th one. Heroine. H-E with laxo, ague, R-O-I with trema, and N-E. These two accents should be there. Otherwise, if you put only one accent, then half mark is gone. So put the two accents properly. So, any doubts after this? Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So next time, these mistakes should be, you have to avoid these mistakes that you made now. Next time onwards. Yeah, sure. Don't repeat the mistakes you made this time. Then I asked you to do the homework also. Did you do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who have textbook, take your textbook. We'll start with the exercise. Page number. First you take page number 25. Page number 25.
Ma'am, we have done page number 25.
Pardon?
Ma'am, we have done page number 25.
Okay. 26. Okay. Can I stop sharing the screen now?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay. So we did the first exercise and the second exercise also we did, right? Second
Yes,
exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second exercise also we did. And the third exercise is to help Dido to greet these people. Help Dido to greet these people. Who is this Dido?
It's a mouse.
Yes, it's the name of the mouse in this chapter. So actually this chapter is like this. Dido is a mouse who's just joined to school, and Dido is going to learn French. And now we are also going to learn French along with this Dido. So that is how we learned good morning, good evening and everything along with Dido. This book is prepared in that way, designed in that way. Okay, so you have to help this mouse, little mouse, Dido, to greet these people. And our Dido is just 2 years old. Okay, yeah. So let's see, let's help Dido to greet these people. Let me call Anne Maria.
Oui, madam.
Yeah, tell me, dear, what will Dido say to this elder lady?
Ma'am, como that I would.
No. Actually, Dido is greeting. Dido is giving a bouquet of flower and greeting her. So how will she greet?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Then bonjour, madame. Yes, bonjour, madame. Right, everyone there? Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Put an exclamation mark. Put an exclamation mark. Okay? Okay, then next one. In the second picture, Maisa, second picture. Unmute Maisa. Mic is muted.
Okay, ma'am, I could not unmute. Ma'am, bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, not is it monsieur or monsieur? Monsieur. Oui. Bonjour, monsieur. B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Bonjour, monsieur. M-O-N-S-I-E-U-R. Monsieur. Along with an exclamation mark. Remember, don't forget to put the exclamation mark. Write down, everyone. Write down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui.
Ma'am, I have network issues, so I can see the board.
You are not able to see the board?
I've completed.
Hmm.
Yeah. Finish, madam.
D'accord. Then let's move to the third one. Third one here. Dido, you can see there. Dido is greeting a cute little girl. Pranav?
Bonjour.
No. See, Dido is greeting a cute little girl who's just a friend like you.
Salute.
Salute, oui, salute. You have to see the picture and see the person's age. According to that, you have to greet. Salute with an exclamation mark. Then the fourth one, Sweden, fourth one. Can you unmute, Sweden?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui, Catherine.
Should write in cursive letters or in small letters?
You can write in small letters.
Ma'am, I am here writing.
You don't have to use the capital letters, small letters, running letters you can use. Sweden, come on. Fourth one. Sweden, I am not able to hear you. Let me call Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, dear.
Ma'am, fourth one. Ma'am, au revoir.
Au revoir. Très bien, Janvi. Answer is au revoir. Au revoir. Then the fifth one. In the fifth one, Arjun, can you say what is exactly shown in the fifth picture? Unmute. And
Salute.
it's not salute. Both are at the doorstop and they are waving the hands. So that is actually what they are saying. It is a goodbye. They are saying goodbye to each other and also they are saying goodbye in the night. So what will you say? It can be either au revoir. Okay, it can be either au revoir or bonne nuit. Au revoir or bonne nuit. Answer can be either au revoir or bonne nuit. Since it is a night. Bonne nuit! Exclamation mark. Then the sixth picture, Hail. Sixth one.
Oui, madame.
Sixth one, how will the dog greet? In the sixth one?
Bonne nuit.
That's not exactly bonne nuit. Just seeing the sky with moon. Can you decide it is night? It's night actually, but you can't write good night there. Why? They are not saying goodbye. They are not waving hands. They are shaking hands. When will you shake your hand? When you go to someone's house, they will welcome you. They will welcome you with the shaking hand. So here, actually, Dido is saying, yes, Maisa?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Oui, good evening. Dido is saying good evening to that. Okay? Good evening. Bonsoir is the answer. So don't get confused. Just seeing the word night or just seeing the picture of that night image, you can't write bonne nuit everywhere. See the picture carefully or read that sentence properly. Right.
Ma'am, the fourth one have done as homework.
Fourth one?
Ma'am, fourth and fifth you gave us as homework.
Yeah, fourth and fifth one, I gave it as a homework for everyone. All of you mute, I will ask, okay? I don't want math answers, I will call. So it's a match the following. Free Rubda. First one.
Ma'am, Oruva.
Orva. Oui, très bien. Goodbye. Orva. Then Sweden mic is having issue. Sringa. Sringa.
Ma'am,
Who is Sringa?
ma'am, second one.
Second one.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Bonjour. Good morning. Bonjour. Then third one, hail. Third one, hail.
Bonne nuit.
Good night. Bonne nuit. Then Alex. Alex, fourth one.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Très bien. Vaishnav, fifth one.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Welcome. Bienvenue. Ain. Hi.
Ma'am,
Sixth one.
salut.
Salute. Sixth one is salute. Again, after this, please do mark it. Those who didn't mark it, please mark it soon. I also gave the fifth one also as your homework. Fifth one also I gave it as a homework. Okay.
Doubt on that.
You have a little bit doubt. Okay, let's clear it. Okay. So first one, Sava. Question is Sava. What will be the reply for that?
Ça va bien,
Everyone is wrong.
Comme ci, comme ça.
Comme ça. That's the right answer. Not ça va bien, merci. This one here we have comme ça. Okay, here now we have confusion, right? We'll wait. Since here we have confusion, we will wait. Don't mark the first one. Now, second one, como allez-vous? Second question is, como allez-vous? When I ask in the class to you, como allez-vous, what will you reply? Ça va bien, merci. See, second one you can easily mark, that is ça va bien, merci. Then now you can fix the answer for the first one. Reply for ça va?
Comme ça.
Si comme ça. Comme si comme ça. Then third one. UN third one. UN. I think UN's issue with the audio. Please keep your cameras on. Hadi, Vedika, Sri Badra. Third one, Sri Badra.
Salut.
Salute. Okay. Then Adidev MB. Adidev. Fourth one. Adidev. Fourth one. Adidev. Fourth one. What is the answer for the fourth one?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Let Adidev reply.
Or
Amaya, come on.
yes, ma'am.
Amaya, fourth one. Au revoir, Dido. What will be the reply?
Ma'am, the first one.
See, the Amaya, when someone is saying au revoir to you, then what will you reply? What is the meaning of au revoir?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So what will you reply?
Bienvenue.
When someone is saying to you goodbye, you will say welcome.
No,
Then you will also reply goodbye, right?
yes, ma'am.
If I am saying to you goodbye, Amaya, what will you reply? Welcome.
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye itself. So what is the correct answer?
B, option B.
Option B, au revoir.
Ma'am, did you call me?
Who's that? Sri Badra?
ma'am, Adidevi MB.
Yeah, I called you. Are there answer for the fifth one?
Ma'am, A.
A answer. Très bien. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, monsieur. Then Prarthana, the sixth one.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame. Okay, très bien. Then the sixth exercise is to put the missing accents. Accents are missing there. You have to put the missing accent. 2 minutes I am giving to you, everyone. Try to put the accent properly.
Madam, can you hear me?
Yes, you and now I can hear you.
Madam, I have already completed it.
Okay. Try to complete. Arjun completed?
Ma'am, I am completed.
What is the 10th one?
10th one is teth. Teth.
What's the meaning of that?
Head. Head.
One more word is given that.
Page number 23 it is there.
Yes, ma'am. One more word is given for laxus circumflex. How will you pronounce
Okay.
that word?
So let's discuss.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one, what is the first word?
Baby.
Baby. Okay. Let me call. Wait, I will call. Mayasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer for the first one.
Ma'am, laxo ague.
Laxo ague. Where we have to put laxo ague?
E.
E. For both E's we have to put here laxo ague.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Catherine, second one.
Garson.
No, second word. Question number 2. Fay.
Say. In the first E, we will put laxo ague.
Laxo ague. Très bien. And what is the meaning of this word fay?
Fairy.
Fairy. Fay means fairy. Okay. Then third one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the third one's meaning is boy.
Third one meaning is boy. Hey, third one answer.
Ma'am, we have to put the half of the 5 on it.
Well, yes, you are right. Half of 5. What is the name of that accent? You will say half of 5. What is the exact name of that accent? Laxa?
Ma'am, can I
Wait. Janvi, what is the name of that accent?
Ma'am, laxosedil.
Laxosedil. Laxosedil. It is not half of 5. Okay, you have to say laxosedil. Then fourth one, Sribhadra, fourth one.
laxosedil.
Laxosedil. Francais means French. Adira, fifth one.
Madam.
B Avenue. Trema. Where we have to put trema?
Top of E.
On top of E. Trema. 2 dots. On top of E, you have to put 2 dots. Laxotrema. Then Pranav, sixth one.
Heroine.
It's not heroine. H will be silent. How will you read?
Heroine.
And accent on top of?
In top of I.
I, only on top of I?
No, E and I.
E and I. Yes, E we have to put laxothrema, and on top of I we have to put on top of E it is laxo-ague, and on top of I it is trema. Maisa, seventh one,
Mare.
mare. Which accent?
I'm laxo-ague.
No, wrong.
Laxograph.
If it is not laxo-ague, then it is laxograph. Yes, answer is laxograph on the first E. Laxograph on top of first E. Then Arjun, eighth one.
Ma'am, laxograph.
Laxograph, we trebia laxograph on top of the first E. Then Catherine, ninth one.
Tail. Laxocircumflex
Laxocircumflex
on top of first O.
on top of O. Laxocircumflex on top of O. Laxocircumflex on top of letter O. Other, 10th one. 10th one. Oh, other I muted, unmuted. Other, I missed other. Where is he? We other. Come on.
I'm
Laxo?
laxo-circumflex.
Circumflex. We laxocircumflex on top of the first E. Okay? Okay, all of you. Now I'll just quickly take the attendance now. We'll do the remaining exercise in the next class. Au revoir.